Hello and welcome to Timmy's Den again for an unboxing of a 2024 Hot Wheels. Today we have Pagani Utopia. It's from the Hot Wheels Exotics number 5 of 10. New for 2024 and 205 of 250 on the year. It's probably not the first color, but it is the first color I've gotten, I believe. I don't remember opening up a Utopia Pagani recently. Alright, I started it already, but I haven't flipped it. What are the Hot Wheels Exotics? Exotic supercars always ready to race. And there's some other stuff about it. How sleek and beautiful it is. Ready, set, nice pop. Oh, wow. Did that look like an off-white in the package? Because it did to me. Now it's a metallic white. Not quite gray. Oh, wow. This is just a really, really unique color that I have not yet seen by Mattel. Painted headlights. No painted taillights. The black you see is transparent. Driving on the left. Plastic on the bottom and metal on top. This car is made in Malaysia. Look at the top of that too. Very cool. How's it roll? Whoop, it's definitely got bounce to it. Whoa, sleek. Very, very, very nice. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ha ha. Can we make it land on its wheels? Ah, it's too much of a bounce. I want it to just land and roll, you know? All right, let's see how the drift is. You just got to play with it. I don't care how you play with it, but you got to play with it to see if it's cool. And it strikes a pose on the first try. I like that. Oh! Striking a pose and landed on the line, too. That was just a little too fast. I got a little anxious. Check this out. Loving this car. You know, I'm becoming a Pagani fan. Pagani fan. So let me know what you think about the Pagani. Especially the Utopia. It's got my approval, that's for sure. Thank you everybody for tuning in, checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's Den again. Appreciate everybody. Everybody's been doing really awesome on hitting that like button and commenting down below. I try my hardest to voice back at you. But don't be offended if I don't. I try my hardest. Till next time. T10 out.